time every now and then when you have an epiphany moment, a moment of pure geniusness. And this is what I had in my house this time. We've been in a year of coronavirus where it's hand, space, face. And when you've got a 3-year-old and a 5-year-old and you're trying to make them wash their hands all the time, you just have a lot of these massive soapy hand dispensers. Yeah, they don't use soap. These, easy, pump it down, get it on. The only problem is in my house is this is the size of the bathroom sink. What do? Put it there, put it there, you know, this is what happens. Ow, ow, it's all on the floor, what do? So the next thing we've got, we had it sitting on here, falls down, again, 3-year-old, trying to stand on a little step, trying to get it, it's not working any good. Then I had an idea, just out of nowhere, I was like, a dispenser. This is what we've got. Look, a hand dispenser. A little hand dispenser with one pump. A little bit comes out. You can put the little hands underneath it. Get out just a little bit they like. Absolutely amazing. £8.99. £8.99 from Amazon. Genius. So, parent hack number 1. Soap dispenser. Check it out. Parent hack 101. Bathroom, wash your hands, go.
What are you doing?
Wash your hands.
What are you doing?
Wash your hands.
What are you doing?
Wash your hands. Oi!
Huh?
Messy soap everywhere all the time, isn't there? From the squirty bottles. Now, we have limited amount of soap needed to wash the hands.
Now we have.
There we go. Beautiful. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah? Should we get them in all the bathrooms?
Yeah.
Yeah. Parent hack. The most ingenious idea I've ever had. Can you go and show me how it works? How do you do it? There we go. £8.99 Amazon.